Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To replace the backup light or reverse light, we'll have to open up the hatch. To remove this trim, we'll start by removing these two push clips by the door latch. Use a small flat-bladed screwdriver, pop them up. Pull out the center to unlock them, and then we'll pry open this. Pull all the way out. Do the same for both. To remove this handle, the plastic is actually separated. There's a seam here. Use these plastic prying tools. You can get these from AWD.com. I'm going to start on one side, get it started, get towards the middle here, pry down on it. Give a good sharp pull it right out. There are two 7mm screws on either side that need to be removed. Use a 7mm socket and a driver handle and remove them. I'm gonna hold on to this handle so it doesn't fall. There we go. Before you can remove the lower section of trim, the upper section of trim needs to come off. You have to remove the little lifting arm. Take a flat-bladed screwdriver, kind of pull the lock out. Pop it off the ball joint here. Get that out of the way. Gonna start over here. Disconnect it. It's got snap clips or metal clips that clip into the body. Just kind of pull it down and out. Just kind of go along and do the same thing. Pull it right out. The rest of the panel is held on with clips. Pull down on it, separate it. Lower the plastic trim. It might take some force to pull it off the clips. If the plastic clips holding these electrical connectors break, it's not a big deal. Just unplug the electrical connectors. You can then lower the panel some more and then slide it off the front and take it out of the vehicle. Turn the bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull the bulb out. Take a 10mm deep socket extension and ratchet. I'm going to remove or loosen these nuts. They will come with these white brackets. They're attached. These white brackets hold the lens into the body. Push the lamp up slightly. It does have two clips on the edge of the body here, so it's going to be pushed outwards. Lift it up and out. And there's the light assembly. Put the light back in the body. Get lined up. You also need to catch these little tabs on the body seam, so I'm just going to tilt it down. Get them caught. Okay, install the white clips. They do have alignment tabs here that match up with openings on the light housing to get them started. And then readjust them. You're just going into a plastic housing. You don't want to break them, so as soon as they get tight, just stop. Install the bulb and socket. Turn it clockwise to lock it. And get this up. There's a lip here, and along this edge, it's going to meet into these metal clips here and here. And then we're going to push it up and it'll clip into place. But before we do that, we have to plug in these. Kind of lift it in place. And reach up, we'll plug in the courtesy lights. And this is for the electric hatch. If it's broken, don't worry about it. This will just slide up in place. Careful you don't press this button because the door will want to come down and it's not connected to the lift arm there. Get this up in place. It's a little bit awkward because you're working up above your head. Can I get it in place? To get those caught, you can push this in back into the clips. Okay, install the upper trim. It's got an opening here. It's going to go over the little mount for the lift arm. It also has these metal push clips along the edge. An alignment tab here that will go into here, and clips over here that are going to clip through this darker trim. That lined up. I'm going to start on this side, clip it in, and work this around. I'll get this side lined up. Get this alignment pin pushed into place. And it'll just push into place. This should clip right back on. Locked in place. Push the handle up into place and carefully guide this long self-tapping screw up there. Get it started. Tighten it up. The same for the other one. Push this trim back in place. Start it over here, line up those 3 openings there. Just push it right up. Plastic push clips, the base is in, push the center part in. Same for both of them.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.